So ingredient
Pinatay na namin.
flour and this.
Kakabit mo ulit. Kakabit mo ulit, pwede naman. Malakas yan. Malakas yan. Gamitin mo bukas pag mag-jogging ka.
Mahal kang mag-isip.
Pahanginan mo muna. Baka masira yung gulong. Buksan mo yung upuan na. Pa, buksan mo yung
What
upuan.
is fake acids on YouTube?
Parang alam mo.
Type how to make slime.
Ayun,
But we need some help.
Masara naman.
It's so slippery because it's plastic, you know. Or of many. Oh my gosh. Let's just use hand. Okay. Ahmed. They're so cute.
On.
We need a little bit of that.
Ano to?
Inject ko.
Ha?
Inject ko.
Paano to? Yung papalit mo?
Hindi, papalit ko sana pero hindi.
Pwede pa to?
Bago yun.
They're so
Ano
cute.
muna?
Oo.
Like a singing video. This is gonna be
Kunin ko na rin
bold.
yung papel dyan.
This is my bold.
2025.
We need more.
Ito.
May 27, 2025.
How much we need flour?
Ano, may ito.
Actually,
Hindi, expired na.
Expired na.
I don't like to add no
May
flour.
25. Nakarestro.
27, oo.
6, 7.
May
May 27.
May 27,
Flour.
25, ay,
It's actually
25, 26.
cool texture.
Kaya expired lang.
Like, it's a Play-Doh.
Kaya expired lang.
Last year.
Ay, hindi ngayon.
Hindi, 2026 na ngayon.
Like a
Alright.
It's actually so cool texture.
Tunayin ko yung papel ko.
But try some
Anong ginagawa mo?
slime.
Bakit hindi ka pa matulog?
Or